All I know is that I know nothing, and even that is not certain. Nothing is so firmly believed as that which we least know. I study myself more than any other subject. That is my physics. We are never at home. We are always beyond ourselves. Fear, desire, hope drive us toward the future and rob us of the present. The greatest thing in the world is to know how to belong to oneself. The soul that has no fixed purpose loses itself. To be everywhere is to be nowhere. You may lend yourself to others, but give yourself to yourself. My art and my profession is to live. I speak the truth, not as I would, but as much as I dare, and I dare a little more as I grow older.